If you'd like to combine mindful doodling and drawing to the music, today I will be sharing a 5-minute mindful art activity that is quick and fun to get you making some new marks in your mindful art journal. These are great for Zentangle mandalas as well as to liven up your creative practice. If you're just now joining us, today is 21 in our 30-day art challenge. You can download the free calendar below to follow along. We will dive right in. Today's drawing to the music art activity will include 6 different songs and prompts to get us creating. So I'm making 6 circles here on 2 different pages. Please definitely subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when we release our upcoming videos. And please like any videos that really resonate with you. That's a great way for me to know to create more of those kinds for you.